If only this whole ride we were going to do was below 30 miles an hour, it'd be good, but most of it's 50. It'll be a little cold by the time we're done. The person I'm riding with is going to mock me incessantly. His Hillahorn, his windjammer pants, and full track jacket, and you know, all of the appropriate adult accoutrement to be riding in the winter. And I'll be like, I put on boots and my heated gloves. Actually, I have my leather vest on over my armored jacket. And that makes a lot of difference. Nice thing is, one, I don't know if it's a feature, but an aspect of this motorcycle that I enjoy is, since it is water cooled instead of air cooled, if you tuck your legs in just right, you get that nice warm draft of air off the radiator, and you feel absolutely fine. I'm sure that's gonna suck in the summer, but then you can just line your legs up a bit, you know. But no, that is the turn signal I wanted. Oh, that's a massive bump in the road. Oh, New Mexico drivers. So glorious. Just cold enough that I fog up sitting still. No, it ain't gonna give it to me. Smoky in the city today. Some weird Triclops motorcycle parked here. Let's park next to that guy. Between the two of us, we make one car.
You gotta think of home.
What?
You gotta think these of home.
Oh, it's so much nicer than it was earlier. Absolutely. 10-mile-an-hour difference in wind. It's all the difference in the world. Problem is now the bike's cold, so my legs are cold. We're gonna follow our friend up here on his gorgeous Triumph Sprint. 100% not my style of motorcycle, but suits his needs just well. it is noisy.